Hi, kids. Today, we're going to learn all about space. Space is a huge, dark place above the Earth where we find planets, stars, and amazing things to explore. Let's look at some cool things we might see in space. Space suit. S-P-A-C-E-S-U-I-T. Space suit. Earth. E-A-R-T-H. Earth. Aeroplane. A-E-R-O-P-L-A-N-E. Airplane. Solar system. S-O-L-A-R-S-Y-S-T-E-M. Solar system. Stars. S-T-A-R-S. Stars. Astronaut. A-S-T-R-O-N-A-U-T. Astronaut. Spacecraft. S-P-A-C-E-C-R-A-F-T. Spacecraft. Space capsule. S-P-A-C-E-C-A-P-S-U-L-E. Space capsule. Rocket. R-O-C-K-E-T. Rocket. Space station. S-P-A-C-E-S-T-A-T-I-O-N. Space station. Moon. M-O-O-N. Moon. Satellite. S-A-T-E-L-L-I-T-E. Satellite. Planet. P-L-A-N-E-T. Planet. Sun. S-U-N. Sun. Space is full of mysteries and amazing sights. Astronauts go there to discover new things, and every planet, star, and object helps us learn more about our universe. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video, and don't forget to like, share, and leave a comment.